Hi friends! Today, we are going to learn about amphibians. Amphibians are special animals. They live part of their lives in water and part on land. Isn't that amazing? Let's meet some amphibians. First, we have the frog. Frogs start their life in the water as tadpoles. When they grow up, they become frogs with legs and can jump on land. Next is the salamander. Salamanders start in water too, but when they grow, they can walk on land. Some salamanders can even regrow their tails if they lose them. And don't forget the newt. Newts like to live in water, but they can also walk on land when they grow up. Some newts have bright colors to warn predators that they are poisonous. Here's another cool amphibian, the toad. Toads are similar to frogs, but they have dry, bumpy skin. They like to hop on land, and some toads can even live in gardens. Let's meet the axolotl. It's a special amphibian because it stays in the water its whole life. It has gills like a fish, and it looks like it's always smiling. Now, here's the blind salamander. It lives in dark caves and has no eyes because it doesn't need them in the dark. It uses its other senses to find food. Next, we have the American bullfrog. These frogs are big, and their loud croak can be heard from far away. Can you make a big croak sound like a bullfrog? Ribbit, ribbit. Now meet the glass frog. These frogs have see-through skin on their belly, so you can see their organs. Isn't that cool? And finally, there's the tree frog. These frogs live high up in trees. They have sticky toes that help them climb and hold on to branches. Amphibians help nature by eating bugs and other small animals, keeping the environment balanced. They are very important for the planet. Thanks for learning with us today, little explorers. Which amphibian was your favorite? See you next time.